right, I got my 5-foot cast net here. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start with everything on the ground just like you would. Latch goes on my left hand like this. That's where my loop is gonna go so I don't lose the net. Go down about 2 feet and start making loops. 2 or 3 feet all the way down to the bottom when you get to the neck of the net. And then you're gonna pull the ring up with the net. Make sure it's nice and straight. And then take these 3 fingers, my thumb, my first finger, my middle finger, and I'm gonna grab about halfway down the net, and all that goes over top, over into my left hand. Now I'm gonna reach down, I'm gonna put 1 sinker in my teeth. I'm gonna reach about an arm's length over, and then I'm gonna take everything all at once, throw it frisbee style, and let everything go basically at the same time. Right hand goes first, but then everything else pretty much goes next, right after that. Hopefully get a nice pancake. Let's go fishing.